Hey there, sweet friends. Welcome or welcome back if you're new. Excited to be here sharing the giveaway for our 13 Days of Halloween tutorial series. Before we draw that name, I'd like to thank everyone who joined us for this series. All the views and likes really helped to my channel to grow, and all the comments helped me to get to know all of you a little better. I'm so proud of our community of kind and creative people. I'd also like to thank the Tech Hubby for all the support he provides behind the scenes to make me look good, and for creating an intro and music for our series. Everyone give Tech Hubby some love in the comments. This is normally the part of the video where I would be apologizing in advance for mispronunciation because I am very terrible at names, but today instead I get the pleasure of announcing that we have a very special guest, and we are joined today by beautiful daughter-in-law who is here with Army son, and they have been spending time with us, and we are so thankful to get to be with them. And so she has graciously decided to draw the name for our giveaway. So everybody make sure to say hi to beautiful daughter-in-law in the comments below.
KDNKDD. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, beautiful daughter-in-law, for that and for spending time with us here. So once again, this is the prize that we have, and these are 2 treat holders. If you remember in our previous video, we shared that we would be sending these out without the food items inside, and that's because we don't have any nutritional information as it relates to allergens, and we do have a little bubby in our family who is allergic to peanuts, so that's just something that we keep in mind to make sure to be very careful of that. But that's going to be it, and I just wanted to say another quick congratulations for you. Now, can you please reach out to me on the Polly's Paper Studio Facebook page and let me know the shipping address so I can get your package out to you. So make sure you send that in a private message. Thanks again for another fun series. If you enjoyed it, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. There's links in the description for all our socials. And as always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye.